What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing, unbagging, whatever, a cheap band for my Apple Watch Ultra. Let's check it out. So when I got my Apple Watch Ultra, I tried to get the orange band, but it wasn't available, and I just sort of never went back for it. But I found this on Amazon for $9. I'll post a link in the video description below, and we're going to check it out. I don't remember the name brand, or I don't remember the brand. It was not a name brand. It's definitely a knockoff. But let's jump right into it and see what we got here. Packaging is pretty straightforward. The color looks good, and the design is close, but obviously it's not the same as the standard Apple Watch band. Let's pull it apart a little here. So we got, this feels very similar. Interesting. Let's pull the old one apart. I've actually never taken the band off this watch before. It is pretty much exactly the same as all the other Apple Watches. Basically, push on the little nub right there. It slides out. Same thing with the bottom one. And I guess this guy goes up top. It's a little weird to slide in, but once it gets in there, it's not a problem. Kind of have to doesn't feel bad. Material looks very similar. Their approach is definitely different. I have to move that guy down a few. Pull this apart. Comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like a 1-for-1 copy of these guys. It feels a little smoother on this one, but let's try it. Not sure how I feel about this loop part, but I guess once it's on there, it's not bad. Not bad. Actually feels pretty similar. This is, I'm not sure if it's because it's older, but the original material feels a little bit, stiffer. It might simply be that it's older. This feels very new and has a squishy feeling to it. It almost feels more comfortable. I bet you it's a softer material. Yeah, this feels very rigid comparably. But yeah, there you have it. If you're looking for a cheap band from another company, I'll put the link in the video description below from Amazon. And yeah, can't really complain. Not sure how I feel about the orange color, but feels really nice. Can't complain for the price to performance value there. So yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.